Ambrosio Rodriguez joining us from L.A.
Ambrosio, to you first. I mean, you're a former prosecutor. If the police bring you a case and say, you know, this is what we've got, this is the information, what do you want to know about what happened here?
This is probably an inside job. As a prosecutor, as a homicide prosecutor, I had a case very similar to this one. And the question becomes, what kind of evidence do they have?
Former sex crimes prosecutor Ambrosio Rodriguez believes police must be more proactive.
He was a ticking time bomb. I mean, he was.
Excluding him.
I think the actions are setting the stage for a major custody battle.
Currently, Brad has joint legal custody, but has asked
for that to you, Ambrosio Rodriguez.
Well, we still don't know enough. I mean, we don't know the reason as to why he filed for divorce. She could have been having an affair, and it could be her lover that did this. We really know so little as to what's going on. There's also have been reports that he had defensive wounds when the police arrived. So if, in fact, he is the suspect, this could very well be a type of manslaughter, heat of passion situation.
The whole world is watching.
No one person at DCFS is going to sign off on this safety plan. Probably this is going to go all the way to the director of the DCFS because of the high-profile level of this investigation.
Ambrosio Rodriguez is a former senior deputy district attorney for Los Angeles. So as they go looking for the perpetrator of this threat, and so far it appears to be a hoax, what kind of penalties are we looking at here?
Well, penalties for this can range from anything from probation to prison, depending on the criminal history of the perpetrator. This is not a crime to be taken lightly at all. This, I imagine, will be prosecuted to the full extent of the law, given the disaster that is happening in Los Angeles today.
Former prosecutor and Ambrosio Rodriguez, a criminal defense attorney and former prosecutor as well. So now, Ambrosio, you have worked as part of a sex crimes unit before, as I understand. The one charge that was filed is aggravated indecent assault, a felony of the first degree. Can you explain what that means?
Yes, look, in Pennsylvania, this law is basically a sexual assault crime or a type of rape. Rape is defined in many different ways within the penal code in Pennsylvania, like in most states. So I think the real issue in this case, or what it's going to come down to, is Pennsylvania statute or evidence code in allowing other alleged victims to come in and testify.
No, they don't. I can't think of one time since I met my husband in college
not me
that he
and you,
held
Nancy.
me to make
we
me
don't
listen.
do that. We don't do that.
Because I can guarantee you this, Ambrosio, he'd put out a hand and pull back a nub, and I think he knows that. So do you...